Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to sprout your mung beans. Now you see, this is mung beans soaking from yesterday, and this is what the sprouted one will look like. So what I'm going to do is I soak my mung beans one day ahead of time. So like yesterday I soaked it, so they're like this, they're fully soaked. And now what I'm going to do is very simple. You can do it in your kitchen counter, you don't have to do anywhere else. So I'm just going to let me dump the whole thing in my colander, and then I'm going to show you very simple way to sprout your mung beans. So this is what it is once I drain it out. So I washed it couple of times. You wash it couple of times, and then see how's my setup. See, this is the colander, okay, and this is at the bottom. I have a plastic container like this, and I'm going to set the colander just like this. So it's like hanging in the plastic container, and I'm going to put a plate to cover on top and just leave it in my kitchen counter overnight. Now tomorrow morning I'll see it sprouting, and by tomorrow evening they will become like this. And then what I do is I put them in Ziploc bags and store it in my freezer. So I have several Ziploc bags stored up, so every day I take out one and I can cook it and eat it. I do not eat them raw because you see, the mung beans sprouted usually have, many people have E. coli infection. So I wash them with warm water, and then I cook them with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a little bit of salt, turmeric, some garam masala and vegetable masala. I saute them for 10 minutes and then I eat them. So it's really tasty, especially the sprouted one like. So as you can see, my sprouted mung beans are ready, and they just sprouted in 24 hours. As I showed you last night, I soaked them. Actually, a night before that took 2 days to complete the entire cycle. So I soaked it 2 days ago in the morning, then it soaked whole day, and then at next day morning I drained them and then stayed whole day like this. And then today I'm going to pack it. So make sure you don't keep more than 2 days outside, 1 day soaking, another day sprouting, and then you have all ready with lots of sprouted mung beans. And they sprouted just like this. You see a colander on top of a plastic container, and that way any excess water will drain and there's no water needed. And I cover this overnight, so there's a cover overnight like this, and I have it all sprouted just like this. Keep in the kitchen counter, just the kitchen counter, kept in the kitchen counter. So 1 day soaking, 1 day sprouting, and then you bag it and keep it in your refrigerator, freezer, wherever you like. So this is how you sprout mung beans, and you can sprout a lot at a time and keep it for 10 days in your freezer or refrigerator. Keep it in bags and then cook it and eat it. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.